Hi everybody. No, I'm not inside the kitchen of our latest listing. I'm inside the garage of our latest listing. Actually, it's the garage-mahal. Hi everybody, I'm Steve Kanjar from Team Moving Niagara and Peak Performers Realty, the only name you need to know for real estate in Niagara. This beautiful home is completely done, turnkey and ready to go. We're at 152 Maureen in the beautiful city of Welland, surrounded by a mature neighborhood, great schools, and access to just about everything. Let's have a closer look and I'll see you inside. And we're back inside here at 152 Maureen Avenue in the city of Welland. This multi-level has 4 of the 5 floors completely finished. Main floor is open concept, as you can see. There's 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, tons of room for the entire family and everything you need to do in it. This one is a must-see and absolutely turnkey. Let's have a look.